Alright, welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. I'm going to show you how to get out of your Toyota RAV4 once the engine's turned off and you're parked. Once you're parked and you're safe, here's how you get out of your car. First, here's what you do. So you open your door, pull that latch and push out, and it was already slightly open. So once it's open, you take your legs left first. That's my preference. And then to my right. And then you grab whatever you need, and just my wallet and stuff. So then you step out onto the ground, and then you have your door, and you can either lock it manually, like that, or electronically, and then you close your door like that. And then once you have your door closed, you're good to go. I mean, you could lock it if you wanted to with your key fob, or if you take your key out of here. This key comes out and you can lock it that way, but that's how you get out of your RAV4. Hopefully this video can help you, and I'm gonna just make sure you guys know that it's a RAV4 Yoda, so it's Yota RAV4, RAV, short for ravioli. So anyway, that's how you get out of RAV4. Getting in is the reversal of getting out. So that's what she said. But anyway, it's a limited car. So that's how you get out of your limited Toyota RAV4. Have a great thumbs up. Have a great and wonderful day. Welcome to this same video. This is Matthumanpizza, and we're here, and I'm going to show you. I don't know if I showed you this before. That's my wallet. Not my wallet, but I'm going to show you how. So you're getting out of your car, and I'm going to show you how to, if you're trapped underwater, you're underwater, and you need freed, and you can't get the window out, you pop this out, and you smash the window with that, and that'll help you escape. So I think that's why you can pop it off. I think it's actually designed that way, or it's an urban myth or a country myth. It's either a country myth or an urban myth, or it's a fact. It's a fun fact. It's a clean fact. It's it'll help save your life. So hopefully this will help you, and be nice to everybody, and have a great day.